Well, cutting hay. My son Rusty, he's mowing. This is his section here. He's working on fencing it in. He's gonna start his own farm, but right now he's gonna cut the hay, and I'm gonna use it for the cows this winter. And I guess if he gets some livestock, then we'll share it. This is the second year for this mower. It's a Tar River 7-foot, and it cuts grass like it's butter. I just absolutely love the thing. My son, he's taking his time, but you can go pretty fast, just about as fast as the tractor will go. It'll cut it. So we will do this, and then when he gets done with that, then I'm going to use it to clean up a couple pastures that I have.